And we're going to work in our social studies homework and practice book. We just watched the video about the California flag, and we're going to turn in our books to page 18. It's right there at the bottom. And if you look at the page, there's like looks like a room in a house or a cabin. And at the top of the page, that's where we're going to go to first, is it says symbols of California across the top there. And I want you to focus on those 4 symbols first. Go ahead and write your name at the top. And you should have enough room here to write your first name and last name. Okay, I'm writing Cali Cat there. And then again, it's asking for today's date. And we're going to write that in the short form. 3, the 3rd month, March, little dash, 25, 25th, and the year is 2020, 2020. We'll write that there. And we're going to start at the top, and I've got my crayon box ready. First, one of the California state bird is the quail, so I'm going to go ahead and color that. Okay, just give it a little bit of color. Okay. And then the next symbol is the California redwood tree, and we learned about that a few weeks back. And I'm actually going to color the bark on that tree. I'm going to see if I can find my red-orange crayon to color that, because if you ever, when we saw the redwood trees, I'm going to add brown to that. They actually do look reddish orange-ish brown, okay? And then they have dark green pine needles or redwood needles at the top. And remember, the redwood trees, the redwood forest in California has oldest and tallest trees in the world. So then we're going to move to the California poppy. We watched that video recently, and those are all orange. That's the California flower. And then we learned all about the grizzly bear, but we did not learn about the California state flag. So that's why you watched that video today, and you saw that the California state flag has the grizzly bear on it, and a little bit about why. And that's it. So I'm going to color those 4 symbols. Now, there's a challenge for you on this page. So we're back in our little cabin, and there's a note here that says, to the teacher, have children identify the four symbols at the top of the page. So we did that together: the quail, the redwood tree, the poppy, and our flag. Then have them locate and circle the same symbols in the scene. So you're going to look carefully through this. It's a symbol search. You're going to find where you see something from up above, and you can circle it. And I'll go ahead and check in with you tomorrow and see what you found. And there might be a few little extra symbols in there. I don't know. We'll see. So have fun with this. And when you finish, remember to give yourself an exit ticket.